Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I have another very exciting unboxing video to share with you guys, and that is because after about 2 months of trying, I have finally been able to purchase a Labubu from Pop Mart. So yes, I'm super excited to get into this bag because I have in fact not one but two Labubus in here. And yeah, you guys, it has taken me 2 months to finally be able to even get one. So I decided to treat myself and get two. So first, I have an exciting Macaron blind box in here to open today, and I can't wait. I am so excited about this blind box. But I also have another Labubu in here, and I'm going to open that one first because that one is not a blind box. So I heard rumors that our local Pop Mart store restocks on Wednesdays and on Fridays, and there is always a long line outside on these restock days, and they don't always even have a single Labubu in stock, but sometimes they do. And I heard rumors that they have been getting these special edition Labubus, although they did not have any of the blind boxes available. So on Friday I decided to join this long queue to hopefully go and finally purchase a Labubu for myself. And I waited about 2 hours in line. Yeah, I know, that was not fun. And finally, once I got into the store, I saw that they had in fact a few options of those special edition or special Labubu plush pendants that have outfits on, and they in fact had the Fall in the Wild Labubu available, which I really liked. I almost bought that one. And they had this one, and they also had the Coca-Cola blind box in stock that day. But the one that I went for, and the one that was the actual first authentic Labubu I've been able to purchase, was the Happy Halloween Party series Sitting Pumpkin Labubu. And look at her, she's so cute. So yes, this is not a blind box. This comes in a clear box like this. And it's a cute sitting Labubu wearing a pumpkin and a skull mask. Oh, she's so adorable, and she's in this beautiful brown color that is just like the secret Labubu in the Have a Seat and Exciting Macaron collections. So she's just so special. So yeah, although I really liked the outfit and the look of the Fall in the Wild Labubu, I decided to go for this cute Halloween Labubu because yeah, I love Halloween and especially everything pumpkin, and I don't know, the season is upon us and I'm just so excited to hang this onto my bag. So yeah, I know people collect these and they keep this in the plastic and just put it on a shelf or something to keep its collectible value. But this is my Labubu and I'm going to open it and use it because that's what I want to do. So let's take a closer look at this exciting Halloween pumpkin Labubu. The box is taped from all around. I don't know how to best take her out of the box. She's connected to the background here, and this thing is also connected into the box. She's really connected in there with some other ties as well, so I don't know. Let's take the whole thing out. There is more tape also at the bottom. She was really stuck in there. But here we have her. Look how adorable is this. She's perfect. I will remove her from here. I'm scared I'm going to cut something. They have really stuck her in here, but like, I don't want to keep her in the box. Yet more ties. I guess they really don't want you to take this out of the box, but like, I just don't see the point in keeping it in its box. At least for me, I want to use it. I never got into the Funko Pop or other collectibles thing where people buy a bunch of these collectibles and keep them in their boxes. Like, I just never really understood that. Alright, I have finally gotten her out of the box. So here I have the backdrop. I'll put that back into the box. And here she is. Oh my goodness, she is so adorable, even better than I expected. The fur is so soft. Her ears are so cute. Her face is just perfect. I'm so happy with this. The little skull mask. Her hands, so adorable. The pumpkin is soft, plush. Her little feet sticking out. She looks like one of those have a seat Labubus. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. She has the Pop Mart, the Monsters keychain up here to hang her up on your bag, which I will definitely be doing, and I hope nobody's trying to snatch this one off me. This is the tag. There is a QR code in the tag as well to check the authenticity on the Pop Mart website, but yeah, I don't need to do that. I got this from the Pop Mart store and I'm so happy I got this. She's so cute. I'm ready for this spooky season. I mean, look how perfect. She's adorable. I'm so glad I picked this one. Like, the Fall in the Wild would be maybe a little bit more versatile, but I don't know, I just love this one so much. And I don't know, I don't really like the Labubus with blue eyes. I think they don't look as nice as the Labubus with dark brown eyes. I think that's just the cutest look. So welcome to the family, my first Labubu baby. I'm just so excited to finally have this and put it on my bag. I have one bag here next to me that I got in my recent Temu handbag haul. How adorable is that? She also has the Pop Mart logo at the foot. This is so cute. I'm so glad I picked this one. She's perfect and just so soft and cute. And this one in the Pop Mart store was $28.80 here in Europe. So it's a bit more than the blind boxes, but I think she's totally worth it because she's so special and cute with all the outfit and the little accessories. And yeah, you can't take the outfit off. I saw some people online were wondering if you can undress the Labubu from the pumpkin outfit, but no, you can't do that. She's just a pumpkin girl through and through. So now I have the exciting Macaron blind box. Finally, I've been trying to purchase this for 2 months, like I said, and they are just never in stock in my local Pop Mart store. And then they started doing this raffle system online, which is also how I got this one. So I think this is only in the UK and in Europe where they are doing this raffle system, because in the US you can purchase Labubus even they are out of stock via the Pop Mart TikTok lives or the Pop Now that they have in the US, but those are not a thing in Europe. So the only way you are able to purchase these blind boxes at the moment is the online raffle they are doing on Pop Mart website, and they've been doing it every weekend for the past few weeks, and I took part 3 weeks in a row to finally be able to get this blind box. So yeah, you take part in this online raffle, you fill in your details and they select winners. And every time you don't win, your chances of winning increase. So on the 3rd week of me trying, I was finally able to get a blind box. And when you win the raffle, then you have to go into the store that you selected to pick up your win during the following week. And if you don't pick it up, then you will lose it. So you have to go there on time. And they had all the series available to pick from. So they had the exciting Macaron, they had the Have a Seat, and they had the Big Into Energy series. And I just really wanted one of the exciting Macarons because I think they are just the cutest. So I decided to just go for the exciting Macaron. I didn't even go for the other series in the raffle. And finally, after 3 weeks of trying, I won the raffle and I went to pick up my Labubu yesterday. And now I get to finally unbox her. I am so excited. So yeah, this exciting Macarons collection is the first of the plush pendants that Pop Mart has made with these Monsters Labubus, and this is just my favorite collection. It is so cute. By the way, at the back it says, this is not a toy, this is an adult collectible. So you see, you guys, I can have this. And these are the options you can get in the exciting macaron series. So we have soy milk, lychee berry, green grape, sea salt coconut, toffee, and sesame bean, as well as the secret, which is 1 out of 72, while the others are 1 out of 6. So yeah, I would love to get the secret, of course. She's cute. She's brown like her, and just really cute. But from the 6 more common ones, the one that I really want is toffee. She's just the perfect light brown neutral girl, and I really want toffee. So let's hope she's in here. I'm so nervous. I hope I get toffee. I mean, it's 1 out of 6, so probably not, but we'll see which one I'll get. So let's get to unboxing the exciting macaron. I am so excited. I'm trying not to see the card, not to spoil it for myself before I see the Labubu. So, don't come out card. Here is the bag. Even the bag is so cute.
Okay.
She feels super soft. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I got the green grape, you guys. So yeah, I would have really wanted to have a neutral girl, but the green one, I'm not mad at it. She's really cute, soft green, and oh, it's so soft. I'm just so excited. Look at her adorable face. I just love it. Even her nose is green. Her little ears. The keyring is gold, and it says the Monsters Pop Mart. She's so soft. Her arms are like a bit weird. I guess I can move them into shape a little. Her arms look so short, you guys. They are wired, so you can pose them a little bit, but I don't know. Her arms are just like so short, and her little legs. It also has the QR code to scan, but I don't need to do that. I got her from the Pop Mart store. I feel like she needs some shaping. So yeah, not gonna lie, I kind of wished I got one of the neutral ones, so it's easier to match. I mean, 3 out of the 6 are more neutral. Soy milk, toffee, and sesame bean, which are really cute. And then we have the green, pink, and the blue. So yeah, the green is my favorite of the colored ones, but I'm not gonna lie, I would have preferred one of the neutral ones, or the secret, of course. But I'm happy I got the green. At least I didn't get the pink. I don't like the pink one. I don't know why. I normally like pink, but with these ones, the pink one is just not so cute. But I don't know. I think this is kind of cute for the season as well. She's kind of like a zombie girl or a little Frankenstein. So yeah, I'm really happy I finally have one. Here we have both of them together. Look how cute. Oh, I'm just so excited. And the fur just feels so soft. If you've never had an actual Labubu and only had a Lafufu before, like I have my Lafufu that I got in my AliExpress unboxing recently. This one is my secret Lafufu, which I think she looks really good. Her face and the features and everything just looks pretty authentic to me. Let's compare. But the actual ones are just even softer than I expected, so yeah. This one is the authentic macaron versus the Lafufu from AliExpress, Big Into Energy Secret. And yeah, this one, she's also really soft. I don't know how the real Big Into Energies are like. And the faces are not that different. The color is a little different. I don't know if it's different between these series anyway. But yeah. I'm not so into the Big Into Energy series colors that they have chosen. Like in that series, I only really like one or two of them. The Exciting Macaron, I'm almost tempted to go for another blind box because, I don't know, I just really want the neutral ones. And yeah, I know you guys, I said I only want one. And now I have three, which one is a Lafufu, not a Labubu. But that's the blind box for you. It really gets you excited and addicted to opening them. So yeah, this is my little Labubu family. I am so excited. Also in the box, we have the card. So this is the card for the green grape. I think they all have the color of them at the back also, so it really spoils you if you see it before the unboxing. But this is how it looks. So now I can finally put an authentic Labubu on my bag. I'm over the moon, you guys. So I'm currently using this bag. I got in my recent Temu bag haul as well. And I really want to put the Labubu on this one. But this one, it doesn't actually have anywhere to hang bag charms. It's a hobo style bag and it only has this one really thick strap, so you cannot hang anything into anywhere. But thankfully I got these wire keychains in my AliExpress haul, so I can use one of these to secure my Labubu on the bag that doesn't have a place for it. So yeah, these will come in handy. So I'm going to put this wire keychain around the strap and then we can put the Labubu on it. So here I have secured the key ring around the strap and it just barely fits around this thick strap, but it will create a little place for me to hang the Labubu. I should really get the wire protectors people have to keep this lock from opening, as they can sometimes open by accident. So here we have it. Oh my goodness, this is everything. This is so me. I mean, people don't probably even care about Labubus anymore. I'm seeing all these videos and articles about Labubu is out, the Labubu craze is already over, people are so stupid for buying these. But I am not getting these little Labubu dolls because of the trend. I just fell in love with them. They are so me. I've been into the back charm thing for a while now and this is just the perfect back charm. So I am really excited to take her with me on all my adventures. Eee! And then I will also have Miss Pumpkin Girl to join me on my Halloween hunts and adventures. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. I've been using my Lafufu a lot and she kind of has a spot where the paint on the face is coming off. I don't know, I bumped her onto something, I guess. So I hope the real ones don't have that. So this is my Labubu family. I am just so happy I was finally able to get one and to get the Halloween collectible one as well. I don't know if they will relaunch them this year. I think they were originally from last year and they have not been available to purchase online all this time. So they sometimes have them in the stores, it seems, at least over here. So if you want one, just check back in the stores and find out when your local Pop Mart restocks, and then they might have some. And oh yeah, I didn't even mention the price, but the Exciting Macaron Labubu in the Pop Mart store over here was exactly 20 euros. So there is that. So I'm all set to go on to my adventures now with my Miss Labubu, and that's it for me today. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this. And I will talk to you guys soon again, but until then, just take care and bye!